Good morning, Brookside viewers.
Good morning.
This is Jack, Alex. Garrett, why don't you tell us what we got going on this job site?
So this is kind of a two-part job site. All this we're going to turn into turf, a synthetic turf. And then up front, we are going to be kind of renovating a water feature. Looks like they got a tree overgrowth, so we're probably gonna rip that out and then just make it to look like where you can see the water feature again, get it running, get it looking nice.
Pondless waterfall going in here in the front yard. Gonna be a sweet little feature along their front steps here. And then my grandson Gabe over here, he's working his buns off. Go in the backyard. Check out what we got going on. I got a haircut. Let me know what you think down in the comments. If I look cute. And then check this out back here. Paver patio. Just kidding. We're installing turf. Homeowners tried to grow a little lawn back here for a while. Lots of tree coverage. You know, the canopy up there. Not a lot of light getting in here. I'm guessing not a lot of water getting back here. Let us know what you guys think so far. Leave a like, comment, subscribe.
Kind of have some troubles with this one because the soil is so sandy. Some super sandy soil out here, but we are plugging away on it, trying to figure out what rocks are going to go where. So anyway, let's get to it without further ado. All right, everybody, I'm out here on this turf job. Nathan, of course, I don't know if you've met me or not. How you doing? I don't know. Yesterday they got a lot of this back bed barked, and this ready to go, this gravel pad here. So this is gonna be our turf lawn, our synthetic lawn that I'm working on cutting right now. Here's half of our turf rolled out here. I've got this line painted here. You can see the rigid side of this line is what I'll be cutting, which I've already started, and I was like, oh, maybe I should film. Anyway, I'm gonna get to cutting this here turf, so enjoy watching me cut turf. Just kidding. We're breaking out this gravel pad here for the other sheets. I got a little bit more of a cut to make here, and then we're gonna lay it out and make sure it's good and not all messed up. I don't know why I would be, because I'm kind of perfect, but yeah. All right, so we've got our seam glue on the seam tape. I basically just blew my nose for 4 hours and got us going. So that stuff will be nice and sticky. Garrett and I here in a minute are going to go through and lay in the turf and get it tucked in there. So bury my boogers. I don't know. What's going on, everybody? It's funny because it's like 4 days after we were last here for me and like 2 seconds for you. But anyway, so we have gotten the nails in pretty much the entire turf here. Gabe's over there getting the last 6 foot of perimeter done. Our edging is installed, and Garrett's picking up some of the scraps right now and just stuff that was on the patio. It's not a patio, turf. So we're gonna get to infilling now. We got this cool drop spreader with drop spreader attachment there that should help us kind of broom stuff in, so it's exciting. Anyway, we're gonna get to infilling. Here's how far we got on the water feature here. It's all foamed in. We just need to plumb it into the vaults, get the pump installed, and then plumb it into the spillway up there at the top. Kind of proud of that one. It's kind of, that feature stumped Adam and I was able to bang it out in half a day, so that's pretty cool. We also got the turf wrapped up here in the back. It's pretty close. Sorry if you smelt my bad breath there. Turf's wrapped up here. Yeah. It turned out pretty well. We're trying to work with the seam a little bit because the glue kind of crept up. A little bit of capillary action there, I think. Anyway, I'm gonna get out of here for the day. And tomorrow we're gonna come back and finish that there water feature. So, see you tomorrow. All right, morning of the last day we're out here. I'm with Jackathy. That's his real name, I promise. And we're gonna get started on this pump.